Hello everyone and welcome back to Arctic Retro. This is just a short video where I'm gonna draw the winner of the Christmas competition that I had in my video just before Christmas. And here's the box I have prepared with a prize, which is 16 multi-cartridge, 16 cartridges for the Atari 2600 and some extra stuff, and I'm also gonna throw in this one, the Christmas ornament from PCBWay. Okay, I'm simply gonna do it like this. I'm gonna use this tool, Comment Picker, from the internet, and it draws a winner from unique comments, and my video had 80 unique comments, and the rules were simple. You just had to write "I want to win" and a Christmas greeting. So if I draw someone who didn't do that, then I will draw another one. All right, let's start now. Okay, and the winner is Karen Scarfone. I want to win. Happy holidays, Tommy. We always love your videos and we're looking forward to more next year. Great, thanks a lot, Karen. Not really sure if I pronounced the name right. Karen Scarfone or Scarfone. Sorry if I said it the wrong way. Okay, so that's the winner, and I'm gonna send the prize. I'm gonna write to you in the comment and get your address and everything set up. So again, congratulations and thanks a lot for being a loyal viewer. So Karen and her husband John comes from the United States, and they have been loyal supporters of my channels for a long time. They have been Patreons since I started Patreon, so that's great. If you want to support this channel, then just consider if you want to be a Patreon. Besides that, I just want to say thanks for 2022, and I wish you all a happy new year and hope you get a great 2023. Thanks for watching, and a special thanks to my Patreons, and see you next year. Bye bye.